In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an OIDC application inside of Microsoft Azure Portal. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to portalazure.com and then log into your account. Now from here you'll need to go up to the search bar and then click in registration or app registrations up here and just click on it. Like so. Now from here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to click on new registration, and from here, you'll need to enter in a name, a supported account types, and a redirect URL. From here, you'll need to enter in your name, so let's just call it test 5 for this tutorial, and from here, you'll need to click supported account types, where I can either choose single tenant only, multiple intra-ID tenants, any intra-ID tenants plus personal Microsoft accounts, or personal accounts only. From here you can either help me choose and then read a little about what the specific ones indicates, or you can just choose single tenants only. From here you'll need to add a redirect URL. This is not optional as Azure will like you to believe, but from here you'll simply need to click a platform and web. And if you're using make.com, then from here you'll need to add this specific URL. You can see here https next.integromat.com/sso/login. I'll also put that down in the description below. From here, you'll simply need to click register. And as you can see, it will automatically open up where you can get your application or client ID, and you can add a client credentials by clicking this right over here and add secrets. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!